We are going to take a quick look at a vintage WorkRite Model 4000 wood welder. This is kind of a time capsule machine, and what I mean by that is it is very complete. The condition is, rating its age, I would say probably if we qualify it with age, we look at the condition of this machine. This is original paint, original condition. I would rate it probably about an 8.5 out of 10, maybe even a 9, again, considering age. You are gonna get 4 sets of electrodes. You got the roller, inside and outside corner, and there's a set of flats in the machine as well. If we look, you're gonna see the original WorkRite logo. You even have a WorkRite logoed milliamp meter. Turning it on, you've got a jeweled power meter. You also do have a timer. The timer is really easy to use. You flip the switch to turn it on. When you pull the trigger on your handheld, it's going to turn that timer on. As you can see, it is pulling RF. The indicator light also works. I'm gonna turn this off. And if you take a look, the handheld is in just awesome condition. This is a 12-foot lead on this machine. This was pulled out of a college trade school and kind of was more in their archives and back room and was not seeing use. Obviously, again, it is just super clean, a beautiful machine, a piece of woodworking history. Again, this is a very original Model 4000. The back door is in extremely good condition. And again, you qualify this with age, and this particular machine is dated 3/19/1973. So for its age, again, I would rate this machine an excellent. Even the hardware to the back door is original. It does function as it should. All the tubes work. You can hear the fan is dead quiet. It does also have a tubed power supply. We do have the safety switch overridden right now. And if we pull that trigger, we're gonna stand back. You're gonna see that power supply does work as well. And again, you should not operate these machines with the back open. We are just doing this for demonstration purposes. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.